In this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial how you can print the 4x6, but also the 2x6 in strips using one printer with Lumabooth. Check that out. You have the option to do 2 different sizes. So let's go ahead. I'm recording here. Let's get this tutorial going. All right, PhotoBooth family, let's go ahead and get this started. So just so you know, the laptop is what we're using Lumabooth Assistant on. I'm going to go ahead and open this. And again, I highly recommend a MacBook. It's going to be the easiest to hardwire with just one cable, like I'm doing now. And then the iPad, we're running Lumabooth. That's it, Lumabooth. A lot of people get it confused. Lumabooth, iPad, Lumabooth Assistant, laptop. So let's go ahead and just get this started. So we're going to go ahead and create a new event. I'm going to title this one here 000. So we're going to launch. So now, right, talking about having 2 different size templates printing on one printer, the first step I like to do is hit the drop-down menu, go to where it says photo layout, second column up here. And right now, this is basically telling you, like, this is the format you have here. If you're not quite sure what, like, dimensions, you can hit where it says printing. It literally tells you right here, right? Where you see where it says 4x6. You can even click that to see some other ones, or if you have a custom one, you can add that yourself. So let's just go ahead and make the first one the 4x6. You can click on the photos, delete it. I'm not going to show you guys how to upload a template because you guys should know how to do that by now. But if you didn't, you really just click where it says image, right? Then you can add the image right here, whether you have it saved to your files or photo library. But this is not the video for that. I'm just showing you guys how to print 2 sizes here. So you got to make sure you click where it says printing. And you see here, it will tell you print 2 per page. That is not what we're doing here because this is not a strip. And then print to secondary printer. That's important to remember. Just make sure that's not checked because this is going to be the one we're sending to the main printer. From here, you're going to want to click where it says layout 1. Now we're going to add the second one, right? Click that. You go create new. And I like to just click here. It says 2x6 because now we're going to do a 4x6 and then also a strip. Again, you can delete the 4th photo or how many photos you like. I think 4 is too much, but that's just me. So now we're going to click down here. Where now you go back to that printing button you see right here. And you have to make sure it says print 2 per page right there. Hopefully you guys can see that print 2 per page. And the next step here is to make sure you send it to the secondary printer. So right here below that box, you send that. So now we pretty much have the layouts designated from the first printer to second printer. And I know it's confusing because the secondary printer is still this printer down here. So it's the same one. Next step, just make sure you hit the drop-down menu and then do it again. Go to where it says print setup. Now we need to make sure we have the right print method. So since we're printing Lumabooth Assistant, we have that right here. You see the connections made. So if you're air printing, whether it's like WCM, you would select this one, but we're not. We're using Lumabooth Assistant. And the mistake I see a lot of people miss is, well, this is just for the main printer. We have to come into the second one because we're using it and make sure that it's selected here as well. So our steps are almost done. Before we leave the iPad, I just want to mention, also make sure you either have print automatically or the display print button. If both of these are unchecked, there's not going to be a way to print. So that's important to remember. So now we're going to go ahead and hit launch. And now the laptop, because now we need to come onto Lumabooth Assistant. And a lot of people make the mistake of using their printer settings on their computer, not through Lumabooth Assistant. But go to main printer, you see right here. And then make sure your printer is being read. So like you see here, like it's registering. Then down here, we need to change the paper size. So we have it set to 6x4 split. On the high-T printer, that means it's the strip. So the first main printer needs to be 6x4 because we're not doing the strips for the first one. So from here, we're going to hit save. Now we're going to go to the secondary printer right here. And this one is where we're doing the strips. So again, printer is being read. We see that here. Paper size, we're going to click 6x4 and make sure we click the 6x4 split. So now we put save. And now let's have some fun. Let's go ahead and tilt this down. We're ready to run a session. So let me move this a little bit higher. We're going to hit photo. And now you could see the 2 different sizes that we have here. We're going to start off with the 4x6. Go ahead and see it. All right, now we're going to hit the print button. The first print is always going to take a little bit longer, but you already noticed down here how quick that was. It's just warming up, so should be coming out any second now. All right, and just like that, we have our 4x6 print. So now let's go ahead, end this session, and let's do this one more time, but let's select the strip. All right, so now when you hit print, you're gonna notice it says 2 because again, we're printing 2 strips. You're gonna hit print, and if we did our job correctly, we'll now basically have achieved what we're trying to accomplish here with the strips. And just like that, check me out, we got our strips, we got our 4x6, we did it.